Hi everyone, it's David. I'm the CEO and founder of ChildCloud. Today we're doing a tutorial on the Parent-Teacher Meetings module. You can access via the All Modules tab, scrolling down to Parent-Teacher Conferences, but I quite like to use the search bar because it's just quick and easy. Click on Parent-Teacher Conferences over there. So I've got a couple here that I've preloaded already, but I want to create a new one from scratch. So I'm going to click on New Conference, and then we're going to give it a name. So let's just call this grade 2, and then the description, you can add something like come meet your child's teacher. Now the venue, you just give it wherever the meeting, maybe class 2B. And then the booking cutoff date is quite important. That is when a parent can no longer actually book a slot anymore. So if my parent-teacher meetings are on Monday, I may want to cut my booking off on Friday. So from Friday, parents can no longer book slots anymore. Now let's click on the next button and just see what we have. So now you're going to select your classrooms. So I'm going to choose the Sharks class, and the date is the date that you're actually meeting with the parents. So we want to meet them on the 3rd of August. I want to meet each family for 10 minutes. And the start slot, I want to meet the parents from 4 in the afternoon, and I want to meet them until 6 in the evening. I want to have a 5-minute break between each slot. You can change that to a 10-minute if you wish. Click on Generate Slots. So these are all the different slots I have on that first day. You can also create multiple time slots. You can also remove a slot if you want. Click on Next. And now, once you're happy with that, you click on Publish Conference. So these are the slots for that first day, the 3rd of August. If the parent doesn't have access to the internet, or they can't access this page for any reason, you could book it on behalf of the parent if you wish. You click on Book Slot. You can add a break. So let's just click on Block a Break. So the teacher might want to break at a certain time. Otherwise, you can actually book the child by their name. So let's say that the 4:15 slot, you want to book in Rachel. So you just scroll down to Rachel and then click on Confirm Booking. Okay, so Rachel's been booked for that slot. The parent might call you and say, oops, I made a mistake. I can't do 4:15 anymore. I can only do 4:30. You click on Move, and you just click on the 4:30 slot, and then that child will then jump into the 4:30 slot over there. And that's pretty much it. Just bear in mind that the parents will get a push notification to their phone notifying them of the slots, and then they can go in on their mobile app and book themselves in. You can also click the print icon on the day of the meeting with the parents, and you can print this out, so at least you know exactly what time you're meeting each parent. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.coza.